Hello, my dear friend, welcome to my channel. Get ready to watch a fun video. The guy found a cheaper way to level the land. It took him just over a couple of seconds to finish this job. The guy mastered his own work. Buckets is a game on the ground where everyone on the team needs to work together to win. How artists show off their cooking skills. This is a master builder. He can even build invisible houses. The only issue is that you can't go past them later. This pool looks like it has never been made tidy. This person used a strong water sprayer and a regular mop to get rid of the dirty water and cleaned the surface really well. Operates this big digging machine is really good at their job. They can even break through really tall walls without any problem. A painter can make an old railing look brand new by putting a special paint on it first. Do you think your barber is really good? Well, wait until you see how amazing Bush's barber is. Can you see how many bricks this worker put on his head? Please write the number of bricks in the comments. This lumberjack is very strong and skilled. He can make 60 trees fall by cutting down just one. A geologist uses a hammer and water to collect lava samples from a volcano, despite the extremely high temperature of the lava being 1090 degrees Celsius. This girl got tired of waiting for her boyfriend to fix the roof, so she decided to do it herself. She is very skilled and experienced. If you are tired of the tangled wires under your desk, you should contact this person. Look at this person who went above and beyond by making a wooden BMW car for his son. Wait a moment. Are you really capable of driving it? When someone with talent encounters laziness, he's just trying to save some time. Chill. Instead of using cobblestone, why go through the trouble when you can create cement tiles like this Egyptian master who has been doing it by hand for more than 5 decades, thus preserving a 2-century-old tradition? This is what it looks like when things are made in really big amounts. This girl found a different and useful way to move along the wall very easily and smoothly. There is a farmer who is really good at growing vegetables, and he can grow them really quickly. I want this person to come and fix the wall that holds the ground in place near my house. When someone throws a wrapper on your new concrete, you have to pay attention to the lights that tell you where to walk. I can't even imagine how hard it must be for a guy to impress a girl who can easily cut down really big pine trees using just one saw every day. Construction wisdom means that in construction, any piece of metal can be used as long as the scissors are sharp enough. This is what a level 100 loader does during their workday. They have to carry bags that weigh 50 kilos each. If you're tired of your neighbors, this person can quickly build a fence to separate you from them. This person only needs a chain to put together a pipe, and it is interesting to watch. Look at this really strange way someone is using a lawnmower. In Mexico, the people who take care of trees have a special way of doing their job. I hope the person trimming the palm trees gets a lot of money for their work. Now, I will teach you how to quickly put a lot of trays on top of each other in only 5 seconds. This hairdresser is being mean to a man who doesn't have much hair left. However, she actually knows how to make his hair grow back again.
This is Glee, a barbershop from GTA.
Here's a method to remove air bubbles from epoxy resin. This demonstrates that a talented artist can create a masterpiece without traditional tools or materials. Unique and impressive. The artist's skill in stop-motion animation is remarkable, as the final result appears to be live action. These individuals were extremely excited for the release of Godzilla vs. King Kong. So they decided to create a wooden sculpture in honor of the film. However, this young father adheres to a predetermined schedule to complete the task on time. He is confident that after 10 years of packing sauce, he will not spill any outside. A job that requires skillful and agile hands. The technician had to pre-cut the cylinders in order to create a hole in the wall more easily. The creator who made a flawless circular shape. Workers, not machines, were responsible for painting it. Using a water pipe allows for the efficient removal of leaves. Let's observe the process of bending the window bar. A true master can transform an ordinary, damaged glass bottle into something extraordinary. This worker has the skill to sharpen large drill bits that are required for huge drills. There are only 3 things in this world that can captivate your gaze indefinitely: a worker filling in the gaps between pavers, and well, that's about it. No matter where you are on Mount Everest, this courier service can deliver food to you if you get hungry. You probably didn't know that this type of wall covering is created by throwing regular pebbles onto newly poured concrete. A skilled artisan can achieve remarkable results using only wood and a machine tool. There's a special cup that's just right, but now he needs to make a bottle like it. This person is really good at using a big machine called an excavator, and they can even use it to go down a river like a paddle. Do you ever think about how they make sure the power lines don't get covered in snow and ice? Welcome to my channel. Get ready to watch a fun video. Well, that's exactly what they do. This woman's weekends are similar to Tony Starr's. The road workers can quickly fill and repair any hole in the road without causing traffic disruptions. These gardeners are skilled enough to achieve a smooth appearance for the hedge even when they are standing over water. This is how these people create a sidewalk using something other than actual pavers. It seems that this woodworker has the ability to create boards with even more precision than a factory. This video showcases the world's biggest chainsaw in use.
One time like this, make it pop like this, make it knock like this, make it drop.
Explain to the girl the difficulty you face in wearing socks before going to work in the morning. The person is extremely skilled with an excavator and can cut around a golf course bunker without leaving any visible marks. When a professional takes on tasks such as home repairs, cooking, and driving, they have a magical ability to excel at these tasks. With a magnifying glass in hand, I still would struggle to thread the needle as swiftly as the skilled excavator operator. With wire, warmed and sculpted, the arrows find their wings. Fuels curiosity about the unseen driver's role. Are you prepared, young one? Witness the U.S. Air Force's breathtaking exhibition of flawless artistry. The chef transforms a watermelon radish into a delicate web of pink. A symphony of collaboration births a vast canvas of paper. Like a wondrous sculpture of frozen snow. Oh, may she be duly rewarded for her labor. The era of machinery has dawned, bringing joy to workers who embrace these mechanical marvels. No need to venture to the gym for this exercise routine. Artisans crafting metallic fragments for automobiles. strengthens beams, sands, ladder, or specialized implements. This diligent laborer abstains from adorning walls with mere wallpaper. A single, humble laborer can propel a grand vessel across the vast expanse of the sea. Now behold, the grand monuments that remain immaculate through countless years. For he engages in a more captivating artistry. This is the creation of the fountain's 4 stone monuments. As you labored to extract just enough shaving foam, this diligent worker adorns his abode with a sprayable polyurethane foam, seamlessly cocooning his dwelling. If not for the excavator operator's mastery, a multitude of hands would have been needed to heave this 200-kilogram oak log. The lineman discovered a path to circumvent time's squandered ascent as he toiled. This brave worker has recently begun moving 12 tons of cement from a cargo ship onto a moving belt. I wager this gardener wields a hedge trimmer with more finesse than your barber wields a beard trimmer. Do I stand alone in my desire to recline upon this verdant shrub? This maiden's digits deftly tally currency, outpacing even the most advanced of mechanical counters. Behold, the streets of China, cleansed by a force akin to steroids, where pressure washers reign supreme. In Russia, people are still using brooms that they make themselves. This video might seem like it's playing faster, but it's actually a delivery worker who was able to pack a box in under 10 seconds. With a single, flawless sweep of the spatula, those voids are banished. A dream that every corp in America has. Some struggle 10 times to conquer the driving tests trial, yet this tractor driver ignites fire with mere tire trails. A pit stop of lightning speed paints a glorious scene. Does anyone possess a timekeeper? The task of crafting a complex design, even more so with the aid of a fiery tool, proves remarkably astonishing. I beheld wonders aplenty, yet the masters of colossal machines forever leave me in awe. The yellow essence, aflame with light, crowns the fireworks' ascent. He danced upon the carpet, as if gliding on a bicycle's wings. There exist myriad paths to enhance the harmony of hands and eyes. The game of dominoes and the act of construction never fail to ignite a fervor within the workers' souls. With mere tools of simplicity, one can craft ornamental pillars. Greet Paul Bunyan, emerging from the eastern horizon. As he arranges a multitude of bags brimming with cement. Doth the pain cling stubbornly to thy car's visage? Allow me to proffer a method to alleviate thy struggle. No errors, no pauses. Only the trio of forklift masters in harmonious rhythm. She has discovered the swiftest method to sever a vast sack of earth. By fastening the rope tautly on either side, the broom glides effortlessly across the expanse. Her swiftness with the POS machine is a testament to her power. This is the process of creating brick textures. The lady's heart yearned to be a juggler's grace, but alas, she learned the bars of brace could yield greater fortune. Excuse me, ma'am. My wife has left with the children. Please provide me with the booze. This man successfully rejuvenated faded plastic seats using a flamethrower, managing to bring out the color without causing the plastic to melt due to his expertise. In the future, robots will be able to perform this particular job. A person is currently able to quickly place 20-kilogram bottles. Now, we will teach you how to construct a fence. A group of individuals are pouring extremely hot metal that is 950 degrees Celsius simultaneously to ensure it spreads evenly throughout the structure. The man is extremely talented and skilled at tossing boxes containing glass bottles without breaking any of them, even when throwing them 2 meters high for his entire shift. This craftsman can master the job in half the usual time of 2,000 hours. If you found this video interesting, please show us your support by liking and subscribing to our channel for future updates. Behold, the epitome of true collaboration. Each man's fate intertwines with the synchrony of their comrades' strikes. Behold, the most enchanting method to slice a watermelon ever witnessed. In a mere span of 20 seconds, this Mongolian maestro crafts flawless masterpieces for all. There is a girl who can make 100 candies in just 1 minute using her arms and a special tool. It seems like magic because it's so amazing. This man is really good at cleaning windows. This person is really good at cleaning a carpet with a dustpan, even better than I can with a vacuum cleaner. This worker paints the lines on the road very fast and accurately. The boss was very lucky because this driver is as valuable as a whole group of people put together. Calligraphy is not only about making beautiful letters, it can also look like a perfect design in a circle. Even when experts are picking pineapples, it can still be really interesting to watch. And the driver, in his unique way, swiftly unloads with grace. An artisan's touch is required to etch the intricate motifs onto the porcelain urn. Immaculate bricks, flawlessly aligned. The craftsman shares their secret to make your ceiling resemble wood. Gently extracting the essence of oil from a vessel's embrace. This person showcased their precision and skill while operating heavy machinery. When you end up working in construction instead of pursuing your dream career as an artist. This is the method an electrician uses to come down after finishing their task. At least 2 people are needed to complete the production of these big pottery jars. There are regular shawarma makers, and then there are exceptional ones, and currently, you are witnessing the latter. Despite the challenges she faces, this Chinese girl confidently works on a construction site and achieves impressive results. The pool is extremely dirty, but a professional effectively cleans it by draining the dirty water, removing the sludge, and replacing the old liner. The pool is now so clean that I would even consider swimming in it after a little cleaning of the surrounding area. I wish I could have the same level of confidence as this girl when it comes to handling your AliExpress order. If Master Fleet doesn't handle the dough, you may have to wait a long time for your pizza. This is how builders appear if they obtained their qualifications from playing Minecraft. They can float in the air and change the size of a brick just by looking at it. If this person received $100 for every item they had, they would have earned thousands of dollars in just a minute. The garden rake was filled with so many colors that everyone had to go back quickly. Here is a really cool and amazing video of a very big tree being cut down. When you couldn't find a job playing cards, you had to take a job serving food instead. What makes a good cook different from a professional chef is that the chef makes cooking look very easy. Now let's talk about robots and automation in India. If you don't know how to make a lot of pancakes quickly, here's how you can do it. Look at this. This is the person who made the amazing pictures. The pictures are really good. The farmer makes the dirty rice field look clean and nice again. Making a natural irrigation system doesn't have to be a lot of hard work. The man's hand makes the carpet look brand new again. This artist made a really cool bookshelf that looks like a tiny enchanted forest using regular sticks. You only need special glue and lots of talent to make it. Do you want a table like that? Look at this cool furniture. The fire was as bright as fireworks on New Year's Eve. Science has shown that even if someone is lazy, they can still be really smart. With just one hit, he can unfreeze the fish that are stuck together. Using this method makes sure that the glue is spread evenly and none of it goes to waste. Wow, this is definitely the best and most fun way to remove extra mortar from the wall. No need for machines. These talented hands are making a really big pottery pot. If we break the wooden board into smaller pieces, it will be simpler to cut. He infused the popcorn with a unique essence, a precious love so scarce. Skills and experience are really important when you need to divide dough for baking. She knows exactly what actions she needs to take. Sometimes when you buy a used car that is very cheap, it could be for the following reasons. There is a teacher and a student who are trying to see who can cut clothes faster. During busy times, these special machines create an extra lane by moving a barrier. This helps to reduce traffic. I don't know how she can check a whole pack of cards for problems so fast. You don't have to get a whole new roof if it's dirty. You can just get someone to clean it for you. This person goes really fast to make a pizza. That guy delivering pizza is called Nick Diesel. Some people are better at cutting their finger than cutting an avocado nicely. This roofer is being given an award for being really quick with their hands. The people building this place haven't been given their money yet, so they're working slowly. But all of a sudden, the money finally came into their bank accounts. This person is the best Tetris player in the world. The airport worker is skilled at fitting 100 suitcases into the plane's small cargo hold. This is the reason why my luggage has all these cracks. Pruning trees in America has become quick and efficient thanks to the innovative boom mower technology. At the same time, in a different place in Russia, when a country fails to allocate funds for road improvements, this man takes matters into his own hands using unconventional methods. I wonder if he could use noodles to make a house. Before deciding to buy a fancy brick house, make sure to check if someone has painted it. I bet you didn't know how to paint a really long fence really fast. If Arnold Schwarzenegger lived in Indonesia, this is how he would earn money to support himself. This person is really good at staying balanced. He might be able to move out of his parents' garage. Do you want to wear a scarf made of cheese? It's so well made that there's nothing to not like about it. There are 2 methods available to remove your overgrown ivy. If you found this video interesting, please show us your support by liking and subscribing to our channel for future updates. See you in the next video. So don't forget to leave a comment. And of course, remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Have an amazing day, take care and Goodbye now till the next video.